The student experience of being a law student here at Keele, obviously quite a lot of your time is going to be spent studying, but it's not all about the studying. There are also some really valuable, important and fun extracurricular activities you can get involved in while you're a student here at Keele. So we have two really exciting, interesting student societies in the School of Law. The first is the Law Society. The Law Society is responsible for arranging um, talks from alumni, people who used to study at Keele. So they've brought back former solicitors, barristers, judges who used to study here at Keele, get them to give talks to our current students. They've also arranged external talks from recruiters who work for large legal firms. They run CV sessions and those sorts of things. It's not just all about extracurricular activities like that. They also do lots of really fun activities and host sort of parties throughout the year. And that's a really fun, exciting thing for our students to be involved in. The second society we have here at the School of Law is the Mooting Society. Mooting is this mock trial where teams of students compete against each other as if it were a real legal case. Now, the Mooting Society runs our internal mooting competition. That's when typically teams of two students compete against each other. Our mooting society is also involved in mooting against other universities. So we have a really good reputation for mooting here at Keele. So our university goes to compete against other universities up and down the country in a number of different competitions, and we always perform incredibly well in those competitions. We also run a number of two other competitions in the School of Law. So we've got the client interviewing competition and the negotiation competition. Now, client interviewing and negotiation are key skills for any solicitor or barrister or anyone who wants to work in the legal profession. So we run competitions whereby our students can practice these skills and compete against each other throughout the year. And then we also have external teams from our students who go and compete in client interviewing and negotiation against other universities up and down the country. And these are really important skills for anyone who wants to enter the legal profession. But when I did my law degree, maybe sort of 15 years ago, no one ever told me how to negotiate. No one ever taught me how to do a client interview. I never got the chance to practice these skills when I was a student. The first time I ever interviewed a client was on my first day when I worked in the legal environment, and I'm sure I got a number of things badly wrong. But our students get the chance to practice and hone these skills throughout their time at Keele, while also engaging in a friendly competition.